LCD removal from bottom pan. To begin, grab your flathead screwdriver and your Phillips head screwdriver, and you'll want to remove the bar along the LCD on the right side. Begin by removing the two Phillips head screws. Once those are free, get your flathead screwdriver and gently pry up on the white tab. You will need to take extra caution in lifting up on this tab, as it is very easily broken. Once that is removed, remove the two Phillips head here, supporting the hinge, and the Phillips head screw holding the wire in place. Remove the tab, and flip the Macbook over. And remove the three Phillips head screws for the left side. Once those are removed, remove the tab and lift up on the screen. And do the same for the right side. Once they are loose, simply lift up and out to remove the LCD.